Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to clear Zoom cache on your iPhone and iPad. Is Zoom running slower than usual on your iPhone or iPad or misbehaving oddly during meetings? Well, no worries at all. Over time, cache data can build up in the app, causing performance issues and random glitches. Clearing the Zoom cache can help you free up space, improve speed, and even ensure that the app runs smoothly on your device. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the Zoom app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to hit your profile located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option to proceed. Then you have to select the general option. After that, tap on manage stories. Now you have to hit the clear button to clean up the entire cache or chat cache, and that's about it. Clearing Zoom's cache is a quick and effective way to optimize the app on your device. By doing this regularly, you can prevent slowdowns, fix glitches, and enjoy a smoother meeting experience every time. Having said that, make it a part of your device maintenance routine to keep Zoom performing at its best, and I'll catch you up in the next one.